You need to watch this if you struggle with hiccups. Say goodbye to those annoying hiccups in just 5 minutes. First up, try sipping ice-cold water. It shocks your system, and might just scare those hiccups away. No luck? Okay, pinch your nose and drink a glass of water through a straw. Sounds weird, but it works. Still hiccuping? Alright, let's get fancy. Try swallowing a teaspoon of sugar. The graininess can help reset those pesky nerves causing the hiccups. And if you're still hiccuping like a pro, take a deep breath and hold it. Count to 10, then slowly exhale. Usually does the trick. Remember, these tricks aren't foolproof, but they usually work. If your hiccups stick around for more than 48 hours though, it might be time to see a doctor. Happy hiccup-free living.